nowhere, we're gonna have like a unique spot for Chantal to have her photo shoot. Chantal is a participant for the Miss Universe Curaçao pageant, and there's a whole team driving behind me. So let's see what a day brings. Okay, so I'm here with Chantal Wiertz. She's a participant of the Miss Curaçao pageant. Hi, Chantal.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Nice to see you again.
Nice to be here.
What are we doing here?
Today we're doing a photo shoot.
For?
Miss Playa.
Okay, so you have your team here.
Yes.
What do you expect from this day?
I expect a lot of nice pictures, showing the difference between being a model and being a miss.
Okay, has it been difficult for you to make that switch because you're a model?
Yes, that's right.
And now you're in a totally different industry. So, being a miss, what are the challenges you're facing during this time?
I think the smiling part. Sometimes it's hard to not have a serious face.
Not have a serious face?
Yes.
Okay, but you have a very great team behind you.
That's
so
right.
You're kicking it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check what the team is doing and we'll be back with her in a bit. This is her sister. Hi, Natasha.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
It seems like you're participating.
I'm very much enjoying helping my sister, and every moment that I can help, I'll be here, and I am completely loving it.
I see. I see. Has it been a stressful period for you?
Some moments, because I feel like people are now starting to get to know her, and I obviously have known her all her life, so I'm like, oh, there's so much more to her, and I really hope people will start to see that.
Hola, Néstor.
Buenas,
¿Cómo estás?
bien,
¿Trabajandito?
como siempre.
Ajá. ¿Y qué hay para hoy?
Algo muy bueno se está cocinando.
Ya veo. ¿Puedes darnos como
¿Un sneak peek?
un sneak peek?
Solo puedo decir que la Chantal de antes, a partir de ahora, es otra Chantal.
Quanto à nossa preparação para Miss Curaçao.
Met daarbij les die papiamento, dos pia pasimon, met daarbij probeer papia mas, sinha mas palabranan, e meeting catwalk training, meeting, met daarbij gym também.
Aliás, de papiamento tá difícil.
Sim, e tiki.
Tiki. Você vai papia capa, tá?
Sim, me por comprei turcos, pero papia tá difícil.
Sabi, foi Holanda aqui não. Tava tá difícil para ela adaptar na Curaçao. Tava tá mais jong kubo. Com a vai com o processo para adaptar aqui não.
Eigenlijk, ela vai mais no hobby leer. Ela vai hobby leer. Passou, ela vai escola. Eu aqui não sabia, Curaçao. Ela começa ela começa na CAP.
A CAP, na
Colégio Alejandro Paula.
Ela tinha papiamento, sim. É porque por essa compreender todos, pero tem um tique medo para papiar. É assim que inseguro que papiamento.
We are Chantal.
We are Chantal.
We are Chantal.
Do it again.
Waarom moet zij winnen, Theo?
1, 2, 3.
Oeps.
Waarom moet ze winnen? Of
Ja.
zo? Nou ja, dat is eigenlijk heel simpel. Ze is de mooiste en de beste.
So Chantal, you are a model.
That's right.
Can you tell me more about your modeling career?
So I started modeling when I was about 10. I did my first show And after that, I moved to Curaçao, and I started here for a local shop. And after that, I just kept working and working here in Curaçao. And after that, I got my agency in Brazil, and I traveled to China twice, Singapore once. I've been to Sint Maarten, also, and to Miami for a few shoots.
Sus puntos fuertes.
Tiene muchos,
Ajá.
tiene muchos. Pero el mejor de ellos, el que más me gusta, es la sencillez y la capacidad que tiene de aprender.
Wow.
Y eso para mí es muy importante, porque todo ser humano necesita aprender.
Exacto. ¿Y en qué puntos debe trabajar más?
Bueno, hoy pensaba que en la sonrisa, pero ya vemos que lo logró. Así que, bueno, hay puntos que trabajar, como todos, pero todavía un poco en la confidencia y un poco en posturas de Miss y su soltura, pero de resto lo hace muy bien.
Haar sterke punten is, vind ik, als ik dan even naar vandaag kijk, hè, ik kijk alleen even waar we nu mee bezig zijn, is het posingverhaal. Maar ze is natuurlijk nu niet model, dat is heel wat anders. Nou moet ze Miss zijn. Dus, en ik vind, ze leert ontzettend snel. En dat verbaast me keer op keer als we dingen tegen haar zeggen of advies geven, ongeacht wie dat dan ook doet. Ze pikt het up, ze denkt erover na en ze implementeert dat. En dat zie je gewoon binnen 5 minuten gebeuren. Ja, dat vind ik gewoon fantastisch. Ze gaat het gewoon doen. Dat komt helemaal goed.
Goed zo.